want to wish everyone a very blessed Thanksgiving 2023. It's been quite a year. Actually, it's been quite a few years. It's been amazingly challenging. So the word that comes to me is gratitude, to be grateful, just to be grateful for all that we have and for all that we don't have, for our health, for our happiness, family, friends, loved ones, community. 5 things that we need to keep in mind, not just 1 or 2, but the 5 of them really are important. So there's our health, there's our happiness, there's our wealth, there's our time, and the divine. So having all 5, bring that together, raise the bar, let's make it happen. So happy holidays, Thanksgiving, for all that we have and all that we don't have. Gratitude. Let's be healthy, happy, and strong.